Hello everybody, Mr. Heath here, and I am on a website called Trinket, and that's the assignment that we're going to use when we are on a Chromebook and we're trying to type with Python. If you know of another one that works out fine, feel free to use it. There's a few of them. This is just the one that I'm choosing to highlight because it's got some neat things for other chapters, not just the first chapter. So instead of jumping back and forth through different ones, I think this is a good one to use. So if you come up into the upper right hand corner, once you get to this home, first you have to sign in. You sign up first. If you sign up with Trinket, you have to sign up with your Google account, and then just click the Google, and then you'll be up here. And whenever you make a new program, go to New Trinket, go down to Python 3. They have Python and Python 3. This is Python 2. It's an older version. You're used to typing it with Python 3. We can just type in Python 3. And my internet has been running slowly the last few days, week. So hopefully this doesn't take too long to start up. But this is going to be fairly similar to what you're used to, but it's a little bit different in its layout. So in Thonny, you're used to the top portion where you write the programs, and the bottom is the console. It'll be just a tiny bit different, and you'll see here as it's loading up. All right, it's all loaded up, so let's give this a shot. So if you look at this left-hand side is where you're going to type your programs in. I'm going to print hello world. That is your typical first program that you write on anything. And so when you run it, you're going to click run on this right hand side, and it's going to process over here. And there it is. It says hello world. We can make more complex programs. There's lots of different programs we're going to write, but we're going to use this left side, and then it's going to process over here on the right side. If we want to click on this run, if we want to just type in the console rather than typing a program, like if we want to do 3 plus 5, that's like typing in the bottom, in the shell of our program. So if there's ever something small like f equals 5, print f, like we did at the beginning of the class, that's where you'd use the console. Otherwise, you'll run the program, and it'll just do the top portion. So it doesn't matter what you do. If you click up here on the share portion, there's going to be times where I want you to share a link. So I can see what you're doing. You'll just go to share, go to link, and then this is the link that we will need. So just copy and paste that into the document, and that will be all I need to see the program. I think that is a majority of it. There's another bar over here. You can also share it from over here. If you don't like the text size, you can make the text size bigger. If you can make it full screen, reset it. I think those are the main functions of what we need right now.